Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, it's time for a little heart to heart. One of them videos, all right? I get so many comments and messages and even text messages from people who, want to make money online, or they got questions and this and that, and how much money can I make with this, and how long will it take to do this, and I don't know if this is real. Is this system really work and all that, right? And that's all good. But listen, one thing I noticed, people who are struggling to make money online, they don't have the right attitude, right? And in particular, when it comes to making money online, man, attitude is everything. Why? Because you are no longer, messing with that traditional 9 to 5 where, people telling you what to do. You have a boss, you have a supervisor, you got rules, right? You got time, you got to be on time, you got to do this, you got to do that. Everything's structured. When people start crossing over to that make money online world, what they're basically saying is, I want to be able to work when I want, how I want, and I want to be able to earn some big money. I want to be able to earn, $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, right? But these are the same people who are like, I don't know if it's possible, or I don't know if I have what it takes, or I don't want to try this, or I don't want to try that, or I don't got time for this, and I don't got time for that. Like, your attitude is all wrong. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta realize, like, you crossing over to that entrepreneur thing. Once you say make money online, you're saying, okay, I'm an entrepreneur, right? That's what you're saying, whether you realize it or not. So look at all the entrepreneurs that we all look up to, right? Think about it. Wasn't it Elon Musk and Bill Gates and who else? Gary V. All these people, Grant Cardone, right? We all watch their videos and get all excited and hear about how much money they're making, right? But then we'll turn off the video and then I don't know. I can't email nobody, or I don't want to post this on my Facebook, or I don't want to make YouTube videos. But then you idolize people like Gary V and Grant Cardone and all these people who they out there, their attitude, their swag is on 100. You know what I'm saying? Like they're out there, they're confident. Some people call them cocky, right? Look at all of the big time gurus, these successful entrepreneur people. Don't take my word for it. Ask yourself, like, the people that you look up to, what kind of attitude do they got? Right? What kind of attitude do they got? And then ask yourself, what kind of attitude do you got? Right? So you have to understand, if you're watching this video, or, well, hell, if you're watching it, then yeah, you got to be watching it to hear me. So understand, like, you can do this. This make money online thing, yes, it is work. It is a hustle. It's a grind, but you can do it. But the key is, you have to know that you can do this shit. You have to know it. You got to believe it, but you have to take action. So many people leave me comments and this and that, and they want to try this program and try that program, and they do it. They'll buy a program and they get mad because it's not working. They're not making money. But guess what? They didn't do nothing. They didn't take any of the actions that they need to take, right? Because their attitude, they don't believe it, right? They don't believe that they really can do it, right? Or the attitude is like, oh, well, it ain't happening in a day, so oh well, it was only $50 that I spent on that. It was only just like virtual cash flow system. Dope ass opportunity. Dope opportunity for those that want to make money online, right? But people will get it. They'll spend $10, right? They won't do a damn thing that they're supposed to do to promote the program, right? And then they'll just move on to the next thing. And you know what they'll say? I was only $10. You know what I'm saying? I still want to make money online though. You know what I'm saying? But that was only $10. It's all good, right? I want to make $10,000 a month, but you know what I mean? I don't really know. I don't know if I can, get that. That's crazy, right? You got to get your attitude right. All that going back and forth with, I don't got time, or I don't got money, or I don't got the energy, I don't got the know-how, I got kids. Damn all that. If you watching this video, you keep searching for make money online, you gotta have the right mind. That shit rhyme. Damn. You know, I do rap, but whatever. So, you know, closing this up, man, like seriously, like understand this is real. This is possible, but you have to know this is possible and do what you need to do to make it happen. Quit buying programs and not doing shit with them, right? Quit watching a million YouTube videos, and instead of taking action, what do? You go to the next YouTube video. That's not going to make you the money, especially the money that you want to make. If you want to really hit those $5,000 and $10,000 months like you see all our favorite gurus making, you're going to have to get your attitude right and get your little swagger up and start taking action and not looking back. All right, because this is very, very possible. All right. So a minute ago, I just mentioned a program called Virtual Cash Flow System. This is one of the easiest ways to start generating a passive income online, and you can learn all about it by watching this video right now.